Welcome back to Beyond Blue. I love this game, and there's another one of these distressed coral things, so I'm gonna just go ahead and collect some. And yeah, I just love this game. If you guys don't, just tell me in the comments and I will just stop. I just really don't mind. So you guys tell me, because I can't read your minds. Alright, so collecting the last coral sample.
Done.
Done. Right. Let's get out of here. Now let's do the dolphins. I swore we could have done it before. So let's collect. Oh, this wasn't. How's this from the dolphin?
Can I take a turn?
Oh, the dolphin. Oh, it's kind of like catching the water. You need a pet dog when you have a pet dolphin. Oh, where is it going?
Well, you don't see that every day. At least I don't.
Frankly, neither do I.
Wow.
Mirai, sperm whales. And they must be your pod because I have a tag signal that is definitely ours. Pushing the waypoint.
On my way.
Oh, okay.
I'm hoping to reconnect with the
That's
sperm
a lot
whale
of
family,
sperm.
whom I have been tracking for years.
That is a lot of
Really has a
sperm
fondness
whales.
for these creatures. She's fallen silent.
Right. Let me finish scanning them all. I still don't see our pregnant mother.
It's kind of crazy how I've never seen a sperm whale, and this game lets you to see them. So, yeah. And I bet if you don't like going in the ocean, this is gonna make you want to. Okay.
Done.
Good. Everything all right?
I am now. Look.
Huh?
Our mommy whale has delivered. Everyone say hi to her beautiful 1-ton baby girl.
Is she okay? Right.
Shh. She's nursing. I just wish all of you could be here for 1 second. Amazing. That is the end of our stream. Like, share, comment. Remember, we need you. All of us down here.
Love your mum, be a good neighbour, learn from grandmother's experience. These are all things I learned from studying sperm whales. Wow. This game is very different from Subnautica. They both have elements which I love, but I kind of like this a bit more. If it was the same amount of time to finish Subnautica, then I would like it because it's quite short apparently. Yeah, so I didn't really get my gear on.
Day 2, back to the atoll at sunset. The hydrophone feeds are alive with the sounds of whales. Gonna find me some singers. I'm excited to test Andrea's new manta drone. Kinda like the Swiss Army knife of stealth drones. I'd love to spend the whole dive hanging out with baby Andrea, but miles to swim before I sleep. Ready to dive.
Okay, let's go. I skipped a little
I'm
bit
in and okay.
because
Looking good, Mirai. The Manta drone is ready for its first zoom scan.
Now I get to see why you talk about it so much.
Only the best science for you. Buoy ahead. Bet we'll find some whale vocalizations.
Well, I'm not taking that bet. You always find whales. You'd find them in your bathtub.
What kind of bathroom do you think I have?
yeah, so I skipped a little bit because something weird is going on. Well, I didn't really realise that I had to press a button, so yeah. Okay.
This is a lot of whales.
It's staggering the number migrating through this area.
Oh, here.
Hey, don't jinx it.
Is that it? Oh, okay. So let's head over to that one. Damn, this looks like a different area. I don't want to go down there. Not that I'm scared or anything. No, that's definitely a...
It's our sperm whale family again.
Oh, and is that the baby we saw before? Ah.
The Manta drone will match speed with the creature so you can concentrate on steering it around to find the places you need to focus.
What do I need to focus? Oh.
All right, baby. We won't forget you now.
Wow. Okay.
Andre, can the Zoom scan tell how old the baby is?
Not with any certainty. Why?
Just wondering if she's old enough to hunt by herself.
Why is that? Why are they so close to the top? Maybe I just know nothing about...
I wondered. She still seems pretty young to go that deep.
Will she be okay alone while her mother dies?
the ocean.
She should follow the pod. Her aunties will babysit while the mother hunts.
Wish I had them when my daughter was born.
Takes a pod.
Oh, are you looking after her or something?
Mirai, why is the baby girl so important to your study?
I'm hoping to follow the baby for years to learn from her as she learns from her family. And hopefully to watch her eventually become a mother herself.
If you're ever bored of shooting games, this is one you could definitely play. Because this is quite relaxing. You could probably finish this whole game in a day. But actually maybe 2 days. I don't know. But yeah. If I go F. Oh! And then I can focus on the parts. Okay. Is there anything else? On her tail? Oh, his.
How will you know it's M1 when you see it again?
Each humpback's fluke is unique.
So M1 it is.
Andre Software is helping me understand the structure of their songs so we can try singing back.
More like playing back. I'll synthesize a song that mirrors one from another region to see how these whales react.
Because Andre doesn't like
Okay.
my singing.
It's more the songs you sing, actually.
Okay, so we're done. So we can exit? Wait, is it? I think we're done. Because it's like that bar thing. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's quite far. Hey, found the whale. Humpback
Approaching
whale.
Humpback M2. Looks like he's on a date.
How can you tell?
It's like they're dancing to his song.
Zoom in. Let's go. Wow, I'm inside. Wait. What? It's so janky-ish. So if we...
Make it as a solo artist.
Not without more original material.
What?
Males from the same region sing nearly identical songs with just enough variation to stand out.
Yeah, just like most pop singers.
Such a snob.
I love this game. I don't know about you. Again, tell me in the comments if you don't like it, because I won't keep putting out this content if you guys don't want it. So yeah. I stopped making content for a little while moving house is a little complicated. And, well, a little while I say, but it's been ages.
Let's hope
Thank
the
you.
Whalapalooza continues. Wonder if they charge admission.
Don't worry. Whatever it is, you can take it from my budget.
Someone's feeling better today.
Thank you for being so supportive with my content. Anyways, let's get on with this.
Well, I guess it worked. I've got some nasty noise.
The same damn sound we heard yesterday.
Well, I'll check it out between the whales.
Okay, so we know what that is. Yeah, let's go to this first. Wow. It's quite deep. Now, with...
Looks like another area sensor.
Okay, Mirai. Can you use the micro tags to mark the starfish for collection?
Are you testing your collector drone?
It's not a test. Irina needs us to collect a few for study.
They are incredibly resilient. They can regenerate themselves from just a subset of their body.
They're also invasive. Must have hitched a ride in the ballast of a ship.
Irina, how many of these do you need? I'm missing the whales.
Just a few.
Let's get some of this. No, we're not taking it, we're putting. And then... There we go.
Okay, micro tags deployed.
Thanks, Mirai. That's plenty.
Okay, we're gonna head over to this point, we're gonna do the mission, and then I think we're going to end the video there. Honestly, this game alone, even if you're not doing the checkpoints, just the visuals, I keep saying this, but Subnautica is a bit, you know, the visuals are a bit less, which is, yeah, why I'm not gonna say that in Subnautica, because it's more focused on survival, I'd say. I don't know about you, though. Yeah. Why is it in the middle of... Why is there just, like, nothing there? Yeah, there's nothing
Are
here.
you sure this is where you track that noise?
Yes. Wow.
I don't know, Andre. That sound is loud, but it seems pretty deep. Can't see how it could be coming from a ship.
Yeah, I agree. It also keeps starting and stopping. I'll figure out another way to investigate it.
I have no idea what that is. Probably something weird. Yeah, how could it be a ship if I can't see anything in the distance? Not even a really dark spot. And also it sounds deep. So yeah, I can't wait to find that out. Alright. So, I think I'm gonna end the video. Let's just do this thing real quick and then I'll end the video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Even if you skipped parts, I'm absolutely fine with it. Is it just searching for whales
Andre,
over and
what was
over
that
again?
other nasty noise? It was definitely digital.
Low power alarm. You need to pick up a sensor for servicing.
It never occurred to you that a nice ringtone would be far less annoying?
Okay, so we're gonna end the video here. We're gonna save the game. And love you guys.